Oh, it feels nice to be back, doesn't it? Took me long enough anyways, so. From what I've been hearing is that you failed to kill my counter marker, correct? You realize that he could have been easily defeated if you just killed him. He had the worst strength and worst resistance. You could have easily killed him. I don't know,